Simple mushroom masala, a beginner's recipe. Also a 3 ingredients recipe. Today we are going to make mushroom masala, a simple beginner's recipe. The ingredients are shallots, dried chili, black pepper, fennel and other spices. Next ingredient is mushroom washed in turmeric water and cleaned and cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the fennel seeds and black pepper into the oil and other spices. Put in the dry chili. Now put in the shallots. Salt until the shallots are a golden brown. Pour in 5 to 10 ml of water. Salt and this helps to incorporate the onions and the other ingredients into the gravy. Squash the ingredients so that it becomes a mush. Add salt to taste and mix. Put in the mushrooms. And sort and mix. Mix and sort for 10 to 15 minutes until the mushrooms are well done. Pour in half a cup of water and let it mix and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. This is the final simple mushroom masala. A beginner's recipe. We have made it without using coriander powder or chili powder, just using the spices. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and press the notification button.